I've been waiting for this since last year, and I'm just happy to be here, experience the All-Star weekend. Just being here for the three-point contest is a great experience, and I'm happy to be here.
A 6'10 forward lighting it up for the Wizards. Please welcome the Latvian laser, Bertans.
Bertans.
And for those of you at home that's watching this competition, it is a lot different to be in an environment like this by yourself with these racks, a full stadium, and it's just you out here shooting.
Bertans right now, 5th in the NBA in three-point shots made. A game at over 3.
Getting hot.
Here comes his money rack after this Mountain Dew zone.
Okay, he got 11.
Right into his money rack.
13. 15. He's good.
Yeah.
17.
Look at that.
19. He already got 20 going to the end. Oh, he got 21 already. Told you he can shoot it, Reggie.
Man, this has been a great night.
Wow.
And a great competition. This is unbelievable, man.
He get 26.
Oh, this is shooting, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow. Listen, have gotten better and better and better.
It was fun, just being part of it. It's again going in history that I've been part of the 2020 All-Star Weekend. I'm proud of that, representing my country and the team.